The first batch of 666 companies on Shanghai's whitelist, designed to support firms to resume production amid COVID-19 control, have resumed work gradually. Shanghai has seen an accelerated pace of resumption of work and production in key areas and industries. For the automobile industry, which was hit hard by the epidemic, the government has strengthened monitoring of the production in key automobile firms, proactively promoted consumption, and improved weak links in auto chips.
整个汽车产业链非常长，而且很多零部件的话，就是一台汽车的话缺少一个零部件，它都很难够生产出来。那这样的话，其实是对整个汽车产业链的完全打通，还是遇到了一些瓶颈。也相信随着接下来的物流慢慢的打通，我相信我们在就是5月份我们能够尽早的恢复到我们疫情前的一个水平。
Express delivery companies in Shanghai are also gradually resuming operation, as the city has started to issue traffic permits for the delivery of important supplies. The permits, which can be recognized across the country, allow vehicles carrying key supplies such as medical and epidemic control materials, daily necessities and important production materials to enter and leave COVID-19 affected areas. According to the Municipal Postal Administration, the resumption of postal delivery in the city is also underway.